Pepe, in the vlog. How was your day? How's your hand?
My hand is, I don't know what to tell you. I'm just sad right now.
Why are you sad?
Because you tell me I felt love. So I'm sad. That's embarrassing.
But look at all the things you tell me that I do loud.
That's not embarrassing.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Oh, it's freezing. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here. It is Monday morning and I am trotting my stuff to the post office right now. I just dropped my kids off to school and I baked yesterday, if you guys didn't see yesterday vlog, and my friend in Netherlands, Shanna, wants a cake. Shanna always wants one of my cakes, but I've never had the opportunity of successing sending it through. The first time I tried sending it through, the cake was returned. The second time I tried sending it through, and they said they're not accepting it. So third time is a charm, which is right now, today. So I'm heading to the post office right now after dropping the kids to school in this freezing cold. It didn't make sense waiting on a bus, because by the time I wait on a bus, if I walk, I would already reach the post office. So I'm taking this opportunity to get a little cardio in. So have a good day, enjoy today's vlog, catch up and keep up with us. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Use time management to knock out your day, because that's what I'm doing today. Shawty, post office, then back home to get a bunch of stuff done, to jam pack my day with activities and accomplishments. Anyway, let's go to the post office. Are you coming with me, girl, or no? I know you want to come. So post office, here we go. Okay, there is one person in the line, which is perfect. So I have 15 minutes wait. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Alors, je voudrais envoyer ces paquets Pays-Bas. Oui, j'ai vu... Un petit carton? Oui. Non, l'enveloppe avec le protégé dedans. Oui.
Je donne le papier à remplir, venez.
Oui.
Ok. Je vous laisse les mettre.
C'est bon? Comme ça?
Oui, on est bon.
Alors, c'est combien pour le prioritaire? Prioritaire. Combien pour envoyer priorité?
Alors, ça c'est en codissimo.
Ok.
D'accord. Donc, codissimo, ça va vous prendre 4 jours à peu près.
Ok, c'est pas grave. Oui.
Parce que si vous voulez en express,
Oui.
donc c'est chronopost, ça va vous coûter plus cher.
Ok, ça va. Je reste. Ok. Merci. Merci. C'est bon, c'est tout? Merci, au revoir. Right, mission accomplished. Let's see if Shanna will get her cake this time around. Third time, gotta be a charm, right? Going back home now. You guys, so here am I trying to maximize my day. Sometimes I don't know how I do it, how I get so many things done within a day. Sometimes I don't get half of what I want to get done. But I have to understand that I'm only one person and I cannot do more than what can be done within the hours in the day. So my routine now is I still have to study French, so I don't lose the momentum that I've gained from classes that I just finished up, and I have to study for my driver's license that I'm doing right now. So my routine is after I drop the kids in school, I come home and I study my driving book, right? So I do that until lunchtime. I pause for lunch, which is not enough time to study for that, but like I said, I don't have enough hours within the day, so I have to use whatever I have. So I study that, and then I eat lunch, and I now going to pick up on French classes, and then I have to pause that and make dinner, and somewhere in there I have to tidy up, because my tidy up session, as in I tidy up the house, I like to fresh up the house in the mornings. Well, who doesn't like to do that, or who doesn't do that? My tidy session this morning, I went to the post office, so that hour I lost that at the post office doing something else. So my house is not fresh as yet. So within pausing to make dinner, during the hour of making dinner, I have to clean up my house, and then by the time I finish making dinner, it will be time to go and pick up the kids, and my day is done, like done. So yeah, that's how my day goes. That's how my day goes. How are your day going? How your day going, girl? Let me know. Anyway, don't pay me any mind. I am here with my books and just chilling. Hi guys, you guys, I have something exciting here for my girl. But both of the kids can use it, I'm sure, because I'm sure Tyler is gonna look forward to using this with Sarah. So I wanted to do a honest unboxing with you guys, so you guys and I will be discovering this at the same time. And then when Sarah gets home from school and see this, I really want to catch the reaction on her face. Wow, it's heavy. It's the color blue, as you guys can see. So what I'll do is go ahead and leave the link down below so you guys can test out and see exactly what scooter this is. It's an electric scooter for kids, and I'm gonna, wow, oh my gosh, I just touched the board and it lit up. You guys, look at that. That's amazing. That's amazing. So I'm happy that I pull it while Sarah is away at school, so that I can charge it until she gets home. So the all move scooter for kids, and it's just in time for you guys to purchase it before Christmas, and I'm super excited. How excited I am to see Sarah's face when she gets home later. So I'll leave the link down below. Go ahead and order your scooter for your kids right now, because they'll be some happy campers for Christmas. And it also have a bell. Perfect. So as you guys can see, it lights up. The wheels are absolutely beautiful, and I think there's light in the wheel also, but I guess when I charge it and read the manual properly, I'll see all the amazing features that it has. Rubber handle, and it have a bell, which Sarah will gladly enjoy. So and it also have a brake pedal here. And then the cool thing about it that I like is that it have a stand where when you park the scooter, it can stand on its own, and boom, scooter is parked. And to charge it, you find the charger right here. The cool thing about it is that it open and close. Boom, there we go. Okay guys, so I have charged the scooter and I tested out myself. I always test out every product that I get for my kids before I let them use it, and I must tell you that this scooter, honey child, it moves so fast, though it have a brake to slow it down. So I would advise you, if you're getting the scooter for your kids, for Sarah age it would be a bit much, but for Tyler age 7 years and up, it would be better, because Sarah won't be able at 3 years old to maneuver the speed and to slow it down as she should, but at Tyler age and above should be able to. So if you're going to buy the scooter, bear that in mind. But other than that, it's a really great scooter, and I'm looking forward to see her face when she gets home, and I know Tyler is gonna love it. And also make sure you guys put on protection before they try it out, because like I tell you, it moves fast, so you have to get practice with knowing how to control the speed while it's going. So like I said, Sarah age, not recommended. That's just my personal opinion, but Tyler age, perfect. Sarah, Mama have something for you. Mama have a gift for you. Mama have a cabbage for you.
Hey, what's that?
She find it. Ah, what's that? Yeah, it's for Sarah. It's for Sarah.
Okay.
Wait, look, press it. Wow, look at that. You saw the lights? Step on it. Go on it. It's electric. Go up. You guys, I can't let it go because it will just send her way too fast. I told you guys she would be fascinated by the bell.
No.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys, look who's home. You sent me a message?
Yeah.
Tu sais, j'ai un problème. J'ai mangé à moitié
Okay.
de la gâteau. De gâteau.
Okay. Ok, pourquoi c'est un problème?
Parce que quand j'ai pris un petit morceau, je suis retourné, j'ai mangé un petit fou là.
C'est ton problème, ça.
C'est catastrophe.
C'est ton problème. Mais non, moi j'en veux pas. Comme j'ai un peu la tête qui tourne, tout ça.
Half Tina ate too. Yeah, but it's not working. You guys, I made dinner. You guys didn't see that, but I made chicken and broccoli and salmon. That's what I made. I went and picked up Sarah, got back home, and now it's dinner time for the fam bam. Tyler is at sports, you guys already know. Ty do sport on a Monday.
So, I want to run.
I know you would see it as you get in. Hello, it's electric. So if you stand up, it will run away with you.
Mama, may I have the fire?
Wait, you
I
have
can try.
wait.
You have to turn the garage.
And you need your helmet.
I have the fire.
Wait, don't want it yet.
Okay. Mommy.
Okay, we're back.
Smile up yourself.
Ending today's vlog in live.
Yeah, I smell up myself because you had too much cake that you take the entire space in the camera. So I smell up myself.
He's gonna crucify me about this cake for the rest of the season, you know?
No, I get you XXL clothes. I'll be happy. So
Oh boy.
yeah.
XS won't fit anymore.
No. You have to add L to the clothes. Side. And if it's not enough, you add the X.
You guys eat a one para cake. I feel guilty and happy at the same time.
What is the main feeling? Guilty or happy?
Both. they're racing to the finish line. Not true. Happy over everything.
That's the most important. I always
Anyway,
say
you
that.
guys, like,
Happy. What is it? Are you expecting me to sing something?
my kids are in bed.
Oh, what
My kids are and I'm tired.
Say sorry.
Sorry for yawning.
Yeah,
He's a
that's so
fool.
loud and so big. That's rude. Very rude.
To yawn?
Not to yawn, yeah. I'm wondering if your mouth is not bucking now. That's how big you are.
You ever hear some Jamaican old people, no disrespect to the Ajibe? You ever hear some Jamaican old people yawn or sneeze? That's what it means. How are you guys?
Do you feel old? Because that's exactly how you sound. No disrespect, but you're not old at 30.
I grew up with my granny, so I have traits of an old
Oh, you
woman.
catch it. But Jamaican naturally loud, so
That's true,
that
no
won't
denying
change.
that.
That won't change.
No
They're
denying
just
that.
yawning loud. They're just sneezing loud.
Extra. Just like when I burp.
Loud.
Loud.
Just like when you fart. Loud.
That one not true. That one is you.
No.
No. That one is you.
No, son.
No. You know me accept
No,
what's mine.
sir.
You need to learn to accept what's yours.
No, son.
Accept
That was
it.
silent.
Accept what's
And the
yours.
definition of silent. Do you know what ludo is in Greek? You know the definition of ludo in Greek?
No.
Silent.
So you're telling me you do that silence?
Exactly.
Look into my eyes, directly into my eyes,
Silent.
and tell me that you do that silence.
Silent.
You're looking at me
I'm
and telling
silent,
me. Look
boy.
into my eyes
I
and tell
look
me
into
you
your
do that.
eyes. Silent. My wood wife
Your
want
soul a go
me
hell.
to wear the blame.
Your soul a go hell. Come in the vlog.
I can't end up the vlog. You're just accusing me wrongly.
I'm telling you the truth. You know I tell you the truth all the time. I tell you like it is, and if you
Want me to
don't like
cry?
it, then too bad. You're not
I feel
bad
bad
galang.
now.
What you feel bad for?
I feel bad.
You're not galang, this fool. But then the people will think that you're crying for true.
You need to know how bad you treat me. Why are you laughing? You're laughing at me like if it's a joke. Like if it's a joke.
In the
I
vlog.
think you're funny anyway.
Baby, in the vlog. How was your day? How's your hand?
My hand is, I don't know what to tell you. I'm just sad right now.
Why are you sad?
Because you tell me I felt loud. So I'm sad. That's embarrassing.
But look at all the things you tell me that I do loud.
That's not embarrassing. Hmm. So yes, my finger, I don't know what to tell you. My finger is just going the way it's going.
You
so.
feel pain a lot today in comparison to the other
Sometimes
days?
I just feel depressed.
Why?
Not depressed, I'm depressed.
Why are you depressed?
I'm depressed. So
Why are you
I'm
depressed?
feeling like this.
Because you want to iron and you can't?
Yeah. I'm part of it. I feel sad when I see you doing all of this. But
Well,
anyway, it's the end of the year at 2 weeks to go. And 2 weeks to make the year finish well. So, yeah. Anything to say for your defense?
no, nothing at all.
Alright. Anyway,
You
give
look
this video
tired.
thumbs up, a lot of thumbs up. Comment down.
Below.
Share.
If you're share, yeah.
Share if you're new, yes.
No.
Share if you're new. Share if you like. And catch up, keep up. And when we see them?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow.
6 minutes of fool with this man, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah.
You're hilarious.